Welcome to the iMovie Masterclass. In this course, we will quickly and easily learn step by step how to create amazing videos using free Apple desktop iMovie application. My name is Mashuk Sarkar Batista. I am an online instructor and professional video editor and have been given video editing classes for many years and still now. I designed this course is especially for everyone who wants to create compelling and impressive videos using iMovie. We will start from very beginning to advanced. We will cover all the features of iMovie. At first, we will talk about the software iMovie, its interface, and understand media organization. Then we will cover all the basic things like how to import a footage, how to split and delete unwanted portion from the video, different type of video transitions, use of animated backgrounds, titles, adding logo, zoom in and zoom out footage, reverse video, will add effects in clips, slow motion, stabilize shaky video footage, and so on. To give the professional look and feel in movie, we will also work with color grading and color correction. Audio is a very important element in movie production, and in audio section we will learn a lot about audio editing, music and voiceover. In our advanced movie editing section, we will work with green screen video production, add multiple videos in one screen, we'll create a photo slideshow video from scratch, learn about lower thirds, create an animated intro video with our own logo and much more. And the most important and awesome part is using iMovie built-in themes, you can easily create professional looking movie in a few minutes. And using iMovie trailer templates, you can easily create professional looking Hollywood style movie trailer, and we will keep the in details walkthrough of that. In our valuable resources section, I will share my list of favorite websites where you will get unlimited royalty free images, stock footage, fonts and music. One thing will happen for sure, after taking and completing this course, you will amaze your friends and family with a great movie editing skill. You also get 30 days no question asked money back guarantee, and you will get a certificate of completion when you finish this one, so there is no risk to enroll this course right now. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and I will catch you guys inside.